everyone, welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today I'm going to share you the Pikachu night show. Okay, that's a show also. And then today this show is very amazing. Okay, so this is also made from 500 drones. Okay, and it's captured very beautifully. Look how beautiful is the Pikachu. It is so beautiful. It's with the drones. Even though you don't feel like it's with the drone, it is with the drone. So how much practice they take to make the drones. This is Pikachu's 6th anniversary. This is the first time they are doing it in Singapore, but last time they did it in Japan. Hope you liked the show. I captured it from the float. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. And the link is also in the description box. And then my account is angel_myra22. Okay, the Instagram one. Okay, and then you can see many of my reels and the link is in the description box. Okay, or is it Okay, so hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.